Hello everybody, this is episode number 13 of Let's Make the Text Editor, and today I'm going to work on I don't know yet. Implement iSearch history. Let's go from down. Create text editor, plugins, SignalSlot, widgets, tabs, SignalSlots. I think we are going to need this thing actually. Let me work on this thing. So I'm going to mark this thing in progress and create the new SignalSlots of master. SignalSlot. And what we are going to have? We are going to have full file. So slot HPP. So let's talk about SignalSlot things. How I did resizing and it's Qt tablet. So let's talk about slots. So how I want to deal with it. So slot basically is going to be just some method of class, right? Like for example, void some slot. And we can connect some signals with it. So we can have signal, we can connect, and basically we do not need slot. Basically we need signal.hpp. And signal is going to be collection of let's say vector, right? And I want to have some method connect, and here's it. I'll take signal and slot. And what I'm going to have, void connect. So it's yeah. So it's template, so I cannot have it in C++. Template and signal also template. Method signatures, signature. Yeah, something like this. Let's talk about implementation. It's going to be very simple. Signal.next slot. Let's leave it like this. So I think I can do it like this. Here's it, void connect, and also it's template. It's not template because signatures should be same. std vector slots push back slot, something like this. Here's it. I have to have void emit, and also I need to send some parameters. It's gonna be tough. So let me Google about periodic templates. So I'm going to remove everything and include signal.hp, and I have class A, and it has signal which is going to take int signal, and I'm going to have class B, which is public, and it's going to have some slot which will take int a, and it will print it out a g handle. And here's it. I'm going to instantiate a, b, and I'm going to connect a dot signal with b slot. But also I need pointer. I need somehow to get, so I can make the macro. So let's call it slot, and this macro will take the b and slot. Oh, it's in qt4 connect a, connect b. So I can do it like this. And basically signal is going to be pair, which will hold. And after this I can call, I do not need to call emit, right? So I do not need emit. Just need to, and here's it is going to be variadic template, correct? So I can do just a dot signal and just say 10, a dot signal 20, something like this. And how I can make, yeah, forget about this thing. So I'll make it public. Now signal. So I need some, and it's gonna take object and method. And for signal it's quite simple because it's just an object, just a class. So it's just going to return object signal, object signal. This thing is a little bit complicated. It's going to make pair, and first element is going to be object, and second element is going to be object type def and slot. Base operand has non-pointer type. For type def. Let me separate it. Signal, object signal. I don't understand. I need to do this thing. C++11 get type ID Jekyll type, right? Yeah, so Jekyll type should work. Primary exception before type. Jekyll type doesn't work. Make pair object b Jekyll type b. Why it doesn't work? For reference type, b is pointer, and then I convert pointer to reference, and it's reference type. How I can dereference it or depointer it? So type of this thing, it's pointer to b, but I need to have the the pointer here. Never mind. So I'm just going to play with it. The pointer here, and it's type def plate, type name T. These are type def T, type decal type of this guy, the pointer type. Yoo-hoo, it works! Haha! Slot. And I need to put somewhere this thing, right? Yoo-hoo! Template magic! So let me move this crazy thing here. And let's make per object slot b slot, and and I need to put all this object apparentness. Yep, now it's working. So now I need to deal with variadic templates. This daylight saving is screwing me totally up. I mean, my biological time it's 9 and actually it's 10. So let's go back. So actually it's vector of pairs, pair, and I quite screwed this thing, right? Because I want to be able to send this thing to any object. But it should have some type. So make pair actually not going to work. I need to actually create the slot. So I will have class slot. Let me implement everything here and then I will think. So I need class slot, and this class it's like base slot. And it will have just this operator, and it will have some variadic magic, right? Template. No. Base slot. Right, template, and it will have some variadic things. Templates. I'm going to use this syntax. I hope it will work, right? Template arguments, type name arguments, and it's going to have base slot. So and this thing going to be for each class. So I need to make the pointer of this thing because and second one is so it's vector of pairs. No, just vector of these things. So an actual slot, class slot, going to be derived public base slot. So it's virtual public base slot, and here's it's going to be arguments. So it's going to be template of this thing and type name T. So it's going to have pointer to object, and pointer to yeah, I'm going to do this crazy syntaxes. I'm going to do this crazy syntax. Does not compile. Expected unqualified ID. Oh, void. Expected qualified ID before. Star. No. Declare pointer to method. Declare pointer to the method. Come on. Type the function in the method. Star. So doesn't look I need parentheses, so it's gonna be like this. Please work. Cannot declare pointer to void member. Yeah, so like this. Come on, what is going on? Like this. Yeah, compiles. So method and object and public. I'm going to have, you know, I think I need to type def method, so it's gonna be easier. Method, yeah, that's correct. And here's it. T star object method and object surprise method. Also, I want to call slot, right? So okay, void object star, right? Should work like this. Yes. Cool. It's really cool stuff. Slot. So here's it vector and shared ptr. So I need to include memory. Shared ptr std. Cool. Here's it. Connect slots. Push back. Oh wait, this one. So and for auto. So slot, something like this, right? Slots was not declared. What? But what are you talking? It's pointer. Please work. What is going on? Pushback. So complaining about pushback. Slots. Connect. So for connect signal connect slot, and slot is slot. So connect. I need the object. Type def. Type template. Type def t. Type name t, and so I need the object, and I need the method. And method is base slot method. Method is this thing, and cd make shared, and I'm going to make slot of type t and of this thing, or I can say just deco type of no t arguments, right? And here I'm going to send object and method. Push. So for connect I need type name t, type name like this, and I'm going to connect the signal with slot, and slot is slot T. No, not slot. Here's it, object, and this crazy thing, method. Connect object method. So I don't need this thing, it's cool. Ah, nice. So I just can use connect like a signal, and here's it, B slot. Work, please work. Dot signal. Non-static member function. So like this. Like this. Public. And this one is virtual. And I'm using. Yes, it's compiled. Finally, run. 1020. Wow, magic, it's working. So I think I will use signals. I will use define signal object signal. Let's call it ONS, and I'm going just star a signal slot. Will be nice to deal with signatures, because in this case overloading is not going to work. Yeah, I think I will survive. Object, comma. Struct. That I can use fancy signal slot. It has not been declared. What's going on? Looks like it's working, and let's make and probably should I have vector signal, and actually I don't need shared PTR because I can just on U is going to be vector pointers, and inside I just need destructor here. That's it. Oops, back. Oh. So I need to separate them, right? Or just rename it. Do I want to multicast? So I'm doing something fancy thing, and like just slot. Works. I'm going to make the also disconnect disconnect, and it's gonna take just signal. I'm going to and I can use different syntaxes. Connect signal. Didn't work. Signal dot. Yep, fine. So it's gonna have this kind of syntaxes, and slot is just normal function. I mean, what will be nice to have something like, I don't know, signal int. I guess it's fine. SignalSlot, probably I will call it SignalSlot.hpp. Yeah, file renaming. There is one problem is if I have like 2 slots here, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's working. It knows what kind of signal 1, signal 2. Ha! It's awesome. It's working. Signal 1, 1, 1. Signal 2. Oh, nice. Oh my gosh. So nice. I'm going to extend it a little bit. So it's gonna be return result, right? Okay. Result. Now I can get a result. So we can multiply by a. Nice. This is better. Yeah, of course, error handling is gonna be, it's gonna be hard. And these syntaxes will be nice, really will be nice to have some nice syntaxes. I think it's fine. Okay, it's implemented. I'm going to revert these changes. Command implement SignalSlot. There. Merge SignalSlot. Push. What happened? Push. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. I love this thing. Oh, fix build for macOS 10. Oh, okay. It was awesome. I really liked it. Close. And sorry for really long episode. I will next time try to keep myself in 15 minutes, 20 minutes window. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.